Hi, distance learners. We are checking our math for today, and some of our students in the class had problems with the word problems, so I thought we would go ahead and check together, but I want you to do these on your own before you watch any further of this video. Okay, so for number 2, it said some crows are in a field. Do we know how many crows are in the field? No. So that is going to be our question mark, right? 8 crows join them. If they're joining them, are we adding them or subtracting them? We are adding. Now there are 11 crows. So now they have a total of 11 crows. That's our whole, right? Part plus part equals whole. How many crows were in the field at the start? Okay, so we know all together that there are 11 now. And 8 of those are here. We need to find out what goes with that 8, the other part, to get our whole of 11. Juliana. 3, okay? So Eli, do you see that? 3, Hannah? Okay, so the 3 equals a question mark. So there were 3, okay? That's why it's good to always go back and check your addition to just make sure. Always double check every single problem you do. I always want you to go back to recheck to make sure you are coming up with the same answer both times. Okay, number 3. There are 7 friends at a party. 5 play ball. So 7 friends at a party. 7 is going to be our what? Part or whole, Connor?
Whole.
It's going to be our whole. So we can put that up here, and we'll just do our parts like that. Okay, 5 play ball. So 5 is going to be one of the parts, right? The rest jump rope. So we need to find out how many are jumping rope. So what are we going to do? Juju.
Make an equation which says 2 plus 5 equals 7.
Okay, so 2 plus 5 equals 7. So we know the question mark is 2.
2 I meant.
Yes. All right, so you could do it 5 plus 2 equals 7. You could have 7 equals 5 plus 2. However you want to do it. Okay. And that one you had to write an equation. So that, it doesn't matter. You could have done it different ways. I always like to do it the way the problem is written. So there are 7 friends at a party. I'm going to start with the 7 because that's what I know first, and then go from there. But if you did it the other ways, that's fine too. Okay, and then the last one that was giving most of you problems. Okay, a carton has 12 eggs. So we have 12 eggs, right? Some eggs are brown. So 12 altogether. Some are brown. We don't know what the sum is. And 8 are white. Okay, so out of that 12 eggs, some are brown, 8 are white, right? We need to find out what the brown ones are. It says, Mia says there are 20 brown eggs. What is Mia's error? Show how to correct it. So what is her error? Does anybody know what her error is? She says there's 20 altogether.
What's number 3?
Yes, Mary.
So she's not adding 12 in each. She's supposed to be adding
Okay, so what Mia did, she added 12 plus 8, which equals 20, correct? Was that what she was supposed to have done?
No.
No, because how can 20, if we know that the total amount she has is 12? The brown ones can't be 20, they can't be more than, the part cannot be more than the whole, correct? Okay, so her error, we know, was that she added her part to her whole instead of trying to find out what her parts are. So, what it also wants us to correct what it should be. So what should we do instead of adding 8 to our 12? What should we have done, Connor?
We should have put a
First of all, what strategy would we use to help solve this? What strategy are you using?
count on.
To count on, okay? Counting on, what would we do? 8 plus what equals 12? Anyone? Mary?
8 plus 4.
4. So, the equation should have been 12 equals 4 plus 8, so there are 4 brown eggs. All right, any questions on this problem? Okay, if you're still having problems after this, distance learners, please let me know.
Miss, you